Alright guys, one of the things I'm going to be doing today is repairing a lawnmower tire, a riding lawnmower tire, and I'll go ahead and just do it, record it. I don't know how many are similar to what I have, but here it is. So getting it off, that's going to be something completely different. I've seen ones with bolts on here like a regular wheel. This one just had a little clip on it. Is that a keyway? I'm sorry if you're hearing a bunch of wind. We got like 40-mile-an-hour winds, and I just need to get stuff done. So first thing that needs to be done after this is we need to break the bead loose, and hopefully this is pretty easy. I'm just going to take a tire iron, or if you have a big flathead screwdriver, put it in between the rim and the tire, kind of shove it in there, do a little bit of twisting, pushing. Hopefully this is easier than, yep, an actual tire, like a car tire. But there we go. I got both sides done already. Then you need to take it and bring the bead of the tire up, and 2 or 3 screwdrivers. Flathead screwdrivers will help out a lot. Just work it around, prying it up. I'm just trying to get this thing repaired enough that I can actually use it. So in reality, this tire should just get replaced. It's in really bad condition. Just kind of work your way around. Alright, so I got it open enough. Like, see the inside at least. It's pretty freaking nasty in there. Got a lot of moisture. This is what happens. You can leave a tire deflated and rotting for over the winter. You get some yummy crap in there. Alright, so from what I can tell, looks like this guy here is the only place that it's leaking from. I'm probably wrong because you got this going on here and that there and that there, but we're going to go ahead and patch that up, and as long as it holds there for a while, we'll be able to mow the lawn at least. Mow the lawn. Mow some of the property. Alright, so I did pick up this little tire repair kit, and it came with this little inflator CO2 cartridge. It's probably not going to be enough to fill this thing, but it'll give it a head start. And then I have a little battery powered tire inflator and take care of the rest. It just takes forever to use the tire inflator on it, like the little air pump. Sorry. Alright, so I dried it up quite a bit. I mean, you can see the hole right through it. You know, I'm gonna be taking this guy, use it, and yeah, scuff up the edge, or scuff up around the hole. Hey, Keaton. Don't forget to make sure it's nice and dry in there. Alright, so I got it all scuffed up. I don't think you can really tell. You might be able to, but yeah, you can't really tell. But I scuffed it up, dried it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on. Alright, so it looks like this did not come with any rubber cement. So it's all just self-vulcanizing or whatever you want to call it. Which is weird because it's, you know, it says put it on there, so I'm gonna put it on there. Oh, okay, so this is not it. It's these little stupid things. Let's hopefully I can get to it. Those things don't even have any adhesive on them, and I don't know why. There we go. Suppose it's what I get for getting a bicycle tube repair kit. I'm going to use like 3 of them on here because it is a crack, or 4 because why not. Just want to make sure that it holds at least. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. That's, I don't know, kind of stupid to me. Alright, now I just get the tire back on the rim and we'll see if we can inflate it. It's going to be interesting. Alright, now to get this guy back on the bead, I'm using the strap method. And for those of you who aren't familiar with, it's exactly what it looks like. Put the strap on there, preferably a ratchet strap would be the easiest. Then you just ratchet it down until the bead comes in contact with the wheel. And then double check this side. Side looks good. Doesn't that look lovely? Lovely wrought. Yep, make sure it's touching all the way around. And then you pump it up. And hopefully it'll seat the tire. Not enough. Alright, that was fun. Pretty much useless. And go try my little air pump. It's battery powered, so probably not gonna do much better. Probably be fighting with this thing for a while. Alright, so I got the little air pump. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and ratchet it down a couple more times. I mean, it looked like it was in contact, but I guess it wasn't. It's actually building up pressure. It's going to take quite a while for this thing to get done, so I'm just going to pause it and continue pumping. So, I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Well, this is as far as I got with it. I tried and tried and tried that little air compressor, emergency tire pump, whatever it is pretty much useless when it comes to this. So I gotta take it into town when I go to work with me and fill it up, see if I can get the bead to seat. So no mowing the lawn this weekend. Maybe I'll do it during the week if I'm lucky enough. If not, just next weekend. So I'll continue this in just a minute. Well, every so often, You just have to give in and buy something new. As much as we try to, reuse items, you know, do things on a tight budget, just get as much use as we can out of everything, try to make a dual purpose or live longer than you would normally expect, just because this whole channel is based on doing homesteading on a budget. Every so often you just have to get something new. Ended up getting a new tire. I'll probably go ahead and put the link in the description if you need this size of tire. It's 20 inches tall, 8 inches wide, and goes on an 8-inch wheel. This guy cost about $50. I just decided, if I'm going to do that, I might as well just have somebody else put it on. So luckily, the place I took it to didn't charge me anything, so that saved me probably $20, $15 maybe. So $50, and then so far total cost of this guy plus this is still trying to think. I can't remember if I paid 50 or 75 for this guy, but either way, went ahead and just got a new tire for it. I think it'll be worth it. Eventually I'm going to have to replace all the tires. They're all just rotting really, really bad. After I broke the seal on the other one, on the old tire, it just wouldn't seal anymore. I eventually did get it back on the wheel at a gas station using their air compressor, but within a couple hours, it just, all the air leaked out around the wheel. It seemed like the patch held, so I guess that part of the video, for what it's worth, is still valid. I didn't delete it, obviously, it's still here, but let's go ahead and get this guy on. Finally got some sun coming out. It's been raining for a couple of days, so it's too wet to do any mowing. I'll just clog this thing up. Hopefully within the next week or so it'll dry up enough and can actually get some landscaping done, I guess you would say it. Basically just chop down this knee-high tall grass. So I'll go ahead and get this guy put on here. Put all the little parts for it in the cup holder here. Put the key back on. Kind of wish I had some anise, but oh well. All right. Lower it off the jack. And there we go. Right as rain. Alright, so if you like this video, want to see more about homesteading on a budget, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you know of somebody that this video could help, go ahead and share it with them. And until next time, keep kicking up dust. Bo shizzle.